Here is a close look at the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Kitchen Essentials set. As you can see, we've got the dish soap, the hand soap, and the multi-surface everyday cleaner. Absolutely love this set, and this is the lemon verbena scent. And keep in mind that this set does not come with a tray, so you will need to have something else to hold them or just somewhere to stash them away, whatever works for you. Now I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick idea of what you can expect from these products, starting off with our multi-surface everyday cleaner. So it spritzes very nice and easily. It is running out of product though, so just keep that in mind. That one works well. And then we've got our dish soap, just a nice and clear, works very well, a very clean and effective product. And then we've got our hand soap. I'll give that a little squirt as well. Also clear. There we are. I'm not sure what that proves exactly, but you know, they all come out nice and smooth. I do need to buy another one of these sets because I am running out, but overall this is definitely a set that I would recommend. The only thing I will note is that the scent is kind of strong. I think it's a nice and refreshing scent, but if you are someone who is sensitive when it comes to stronger scents, just keep that in mind. This might not be the best option for you, but overall I would definitely recommend it. Absolutely love it, and it certainly gets the job done.